Welcome. If you're looking to show the Threads badge on your Instagram profile using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, displaying your Threads badge is now easier than ever, and you don't need to use your phone at all. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to display your Threads badge. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the profile icon. This will take you straight to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, find the Edit Profile button. It's usually located near your username and profile picture. Click on it to open your profile settings. Inside the profile settings, scroll through the options until you find the one labeled Show Threads Badge. This is the feature that lets you display the Threads badge on your Instagram profile. If the toggle is off, simply click to enable it. Once you do, the Threads badge will appear right below your username for everyone to see. The Threads badge is a small icon that links directly to your Threads account, making it easy for your followers to find and connect with you on Threads. It's a great way to show that you're active on both platforms and to boost your presence across social media. If you ever want to hide the badge again, just return to the same settings and turn the toggle off. It's that simple. That's all it takes to show the Threads badge on your Instagram profile from your PC. Enjoy connecting with your followers in new ways, and don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your social media experience.